Hey, what's up guys? This is my third video on this MDX series. In my previous video, we worked with dimensions. We learned about hierarchy types, dimension types, how to access all level member, dot members property function, and CrossJoin method function. This video is dedicated on order function. In this video, I'll show you how to use order function to order measures and dimension members. This is the agenda. Today I'll talk about order function, hierarchize function, then I'll show you how to use order and CrossJoin together. By default, members are not sorted. In case you haven't noticed it, let me write this query. You can see that the internet sales amount measure is not sorted. Actually, none of the measure is sorted by default. To sort the internet sales amount measure in this previous query, you can simply use order method function. Now you can see that the output is sorted based on internet sales amount. In order function, the first parameter is member that you want to sort. In this query, we specified subcategory members to sort. Second parameter is measure. This is the measure based on you want to sort subcategories. Here we specified internet sales amount. There is also a third parameter which says that in what order, ascending or descending, you want to sort the members. The default is ascending. That is why this query returned output in ascending order. You can also explicitly specify the ascending sort order like this. As you can see, the output will remain the same. As you can assume now, you can also specify descending order like this. No magic here. You will simply see output in descending order. In this last query, we use subcategory attribute hierarchy. If you use subcategory level of product categories user hierarchy, you will see that the order function is not working. Let me write this query to show you this. In this output, you can see that until this, the order was working, but after that, it seems like the order function is not working. The logic is very simple. For a particular parent level, the order will work. When parent changes, the order will restart. In product categories user hierarchy, category is the parent level for subcategory. All these belongs to the same category, so the order was working, but these belongs to different category, so the order restarted. To solve this issue, we can simply use BASC as third parameter instead of ASC. Let me show you this in the next query. Now you can see that the order function is now working for all subcategories regardless of their parent category. As you can assume now, like BASC, we also have BDESC that you can use in this query in case you want to see output in descending order. Let me show you this. Again, no big surprise, and you will see output in descending order. You can also sort a measure based on the values of another measure. For example, let's say in previous query, we want to order the internet sales amount based on reseller sales amount measure. Let me show you this in the next query. the output is actually in descending order of reseller sales amount. To prove this, simply add reseller sales amount measure in the output. Let me show you this. Now you can see that the output was actually in the descending order of reseller sales amount. So far we used order function on row axis. Same way you can use it on column axis. It is very obvious, so I will not write a query for this. If you want to sort hierarchies instead of a measure, you can use hierarchize function. To understand this function, let me write this very complex query. I'm not sure if this query will work. Oh, okay, it's working. So as you can see in the output, all members appears accordingly how I mentioned them in the query. Let me give you some extra details first. This is what you see in the output right now. So here the bike is actually a category. The touring bike, it's a subcategory. Hydration packs, also a subcategory. Accessories, it's a category. Road bikes, it's a subcategory. And all products is a topmost level. Let me first fill in some blanks. So for all category and subcategory, the topmost level is always all product. For touring bike, For touring bike, the category is actually the bike. For hydration pack, the category is accessories. For road bikes, the category again bikes. Okay. Now let's say you want to see output in this order. So let's say first you want to see the topmost level, then you want to see accessory category, after that you want to see hydration pack because it belongs to accessories category. Then let's say I want to see bikes first, after that I would like to see touring bikes and road bikes based on their alphabetical order. You can get this kind of output using hierarchize function. Let me show you this. Now you can see that the top level member is coming first, then the accessories category, then the hydration pack because it belongs to this category, then bikes category, and after that road bikes and touring bikes are coming because they both belongs to bikes category. So the hierarchize function sorts member based on their position in the hierarchy. If you want to see output in upside down position, means in reverse order, you can simply pass post as a second parameter, as you can see here. Now you can see the output in reverse order. This is the last part of this video. If you don't know how to use CrossJoin, please visit my previous video. You can find the link in the description below. To give you an example how you can use CrossJoin with order, let me reuse one of the previous query. In this output you can see internet sales amount is coming in descending order, and here you can see subcategories. Let's say you want to see categories and subcategories both in different columns. You can do this by using CrossJoin function. Let me show you. So here I'll use CrossJoin. I must have made some mistake. Now you can see categories, subcategories, and the entrance amount. So this is how you can use cross join with the order function. This video ends here. We will continue our MDX journey in my next video. Thank you for watching this video. As I always say, if you want me to improve the quality of these videos, content and presentation, or if you have any question, please let me know in the comment area. And also, please subscribe